Hey guys, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking Machinery, here with Andy again.
How we doing, guys?
I have some questions for you.
Sure.
A lot of my clients have watched these videos and they've asked about these pins, these things you're sliding your board on there and you're always locating it perfectly. So tell us a little bit about those.
The pins are nice, location pins, and they're available on the machines now that we're building. But they let me take my part and slide it in, and now this edge is perfect every single time. I don't have to think about it. So they pop up and down like this. They retract automatically if they're put into the new system. It's fully automated. So even if I started a program and I forgot to put them down and I was worried about my bit crashing into them, they will automatically retract. The question is, well, what if I have an old machine? Can I have that? Yeah,
that's a good question, because I got a lot of clients that, man, I wish I had that on my machine.
Well, I got to tell you, having used them on this project, I would never, ever do it without it.
Yeah.
Because I always lined up the edges and walked around, and it was fine. But this is perfect, and it's every time. And I've used it to be able to create quick and instant fixtures and jigs and offsets. I would never go back. For those people who have a machine, and you're saying, can I put them on my machine? The answer is, yeah, you can.
Okay. Now, what do they normally cost if I'm going to retrofit it onto my machine?
For a retrofit, the package is $1,250.
Okay.
So $1,250, we'll send you a package. It has the air splitters, it has everything you need, all the hardware. You don't have to do anything other than put it all together. And it takes about an hour to put it together.
It's not too bad.
Not bad. Now, I also have a little alignment method that uses a straight post.
Okay.
Everything you need to get everything set up is going to be in the package.
We'll have a little video. We'll talk through all that as well. So it'll be easy for them to do that.
Right.
Okay.
But we're so excited about this that we think everybody needs one. So for the rest of this week, what are we going to do?
For the rest of this week, it's half off. So you're going to go from $1,250 to $625. Now that's just this week, so you got to act fast.
Basically a flash sale then, so to speak.
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, I like that because, like say, if I bought my machine last year and I'm looking at that going, oh, I really, really want that, I don't want to have to say no to anybody. So we've developed a system. It runs on a foot treadle, dead simple, but it's going to save you a lot of time and energy. So there's this week's special offer.
Just in time savings, that's going to be worth way more than $625.
Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome. Well, guys, we're excited to show this to you guys. We hope to hear from you very shortly. We'll talk to you guys again in the next one. Take care.
Thanks.